building and over there. Can you see it?
Hey, I can't pay for it.
Hi there family, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Quentin and we are still out here in Cape Town. So today you guys, I'm gonna be showing you the Tiger Falls apartments together with the Tiger Fall waterfront. So if it's your first time, please do not forget to press the subscription button right there below so that you can keep posted about the new videos that I'll be posting. And so today I'm not alone, I'm with my friend Casey, and there she is. So you guys, we're gonna be taking you around to the restaurants and we're gonna show you around today. Let's get straight to it. Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Perhaps it's a waterfall.
Is that it?
Okay, there is the waterfall.
What?
Right over there. Can you see it? There is the waterfall. What do you think of it?
Really cute, like. What's
It's amazing, right? So you can just take a walk and just get closer to the waterfall. So you guys, I just showed a waterfall. That was a surprise. So we're just gonna take a walk and get. So there is the waterfall right over there.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down.
Okay guys, so right now we're just walking to test food. So there's like 50% special around this place. And so far, can you tell me what have you seen? What is it that you have liked, and do you love anything around this place?
I like how everything is so calm. Like there isn't that many people, but there is like people like around, but it's just so quiet. You hear the waterfall. The air is just so, I won't say fresh, but yeah, it's there.
It's very
So I recommend if you like want to go on a date in an unknown restaurant. Yeah.
Ooh, awesome. That's a nice lighthouse right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now guys, we're just gonna walk down to down over there. Yep, right over there, and then we're just gonna try whatever that they have in their menu, and we're just gonna tell you how it tastes like, how is the food in this place, and how's everything. Okay, and what do you think about the milkshake? Okay guys, so our food is in the building, and pizza.
It's like we promoted or something.
So guys, we have finally got our pizza, and it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
What do you think about the presentation of the pizza?
It's square.
Right?
Not circle.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. And
It's really nice.
yeah, so we're just gonna give it a try, and burger also. So we're just gonna give it a try and see how it tastes. Hot?
I'm not eating it.
Well, I gotta confess, this is the best pizza that I've ever tasted in my entire life. It's very, very delicious. So guys, we just finished eating the pizza and it was amazing. I just felt like crying when I was eating that pizza. You know, it tasted like everything's gonna be okay.
But mine wasn't that good though.
It wasn't good.
Yeah.
Why? Is it because of the
chili.
flavor?
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
no.
she actually chose the wrong flavor, I think. But then as for me,
Sweet Italian if you want it.
yeah, as for me, I actually chose the best flavor, and you know, it feels like everything is gonna be okay because of the pizza.
You get it. It's good.
Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and we're gonna see you again in our next episode. See you soon.
Bye.
And please do not forget to subscribe if
And
you're
like.
watching this. Yep, and share.
Post notifications.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.